Hi, I'm Stephanie from Renovation Baby, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of our new hallway. This is our old version, and we, end of last year, had a house extension which we pushed out the front of the house and to the side. So we created a larger hallway and a bigger bedroom, a utility room and a kitchen. So as you can see, this is quite a squidgy place for us as a family of 5 and a big dog to all come in. So as you can see now, it's such a bigger, better room for us, and where that still is, where the clock is where the original door was, so we have gained such a brilliant space. So we've got such a room now that we can come in and we can keep the floor clean, because we've put down this lino and instead of the wood flooring that we've got throughout the rest of the new extension and area. So I'll give you a little tour around and you can have a look at everything and where we got it from. So my lovely column radiator with my gold valves, and my wood flooring here was from direct wood flooring. As you can see, we've got a little threshold here where the lino is. It was just cheap lino from Carpet. It was going to be a bit stopgap, but it's doing the job perfect. So I wanted to add in as much storage as we could, so that I can start filling it up with little items that I feel we need in the hallway and easy to access. So these are from Roof, these little hanging, they could be for pots and for plants, but I'm going to use them for storage. These 2 baskets from Home Sense, they got our walking boots and our hats and scarves and gloves. Little letters in and out from Dunham Mill, and this set of 10 frames from Roof. I've got our Me and Mine in there, just a selection of them. We created this wooden shelf. We built it ourselves from sort of sheets, scraps of wood, and so that we could get in shelving across the top so that we could fit in these baskets, and they're from Roof, little baskets. And then we can hang the coats on here, but also a lower level one here for the children, so they can hang their coats and their bags and things like that easily. The little gold hooks are from Amazon, and the green paint is Rust-Oleum, and it's the bramble colour. So I've got a little plug socket here, so that fits perfectly for my Dyson vacuum to be able to charge up on the wall, and the children know exactly where it is when they need it. So we've got a little plant here from Tree to My Door, and they've gifted me that, which is lovely, perfect little spot here on this plant stand, which is from Roof. The little duck and the pot plant with my mother-in-law's. So over to this side is our bench storage. We created this from an IKEA hack of IKEA Calyx units, and we sort of fitted them all together. And then as you can see on the side there, you can tell it's the wood flooring from the rest of our build that we had left over. And the little hooks, little handles are from Home Sense. They've got a really great selection in there of those. So this is a perfect bench for all of us. We've each got a cupboard each to put our shoes in, so nobody can argue where their shoes are or lose them. So I think at some point I will put a cushioned back here so that I can make it a little bit more comfy and a bit more interest. And then all of this on this section is from Roof as well. So we've got some lovely little ornaments and some little artificial plants, and that little basket is full of face masks, so nice and easy for everyone now. And our little family boot picture. And we've got a little mirror here to the side, that's from Dunelm, a little black one, just to give us somewhere that we can check that we look alright when we leave. The dog leads are here along with our hive thermostat tucked to the side, and some more foliage. So I hope you like our new hallway. We are so pleased with it. It's given us such a big space, and it's just a little bit more interesting than just a plain room. So here's the before and here's the after. So thank you very much for watching, and click like and subscribe would be wonderful, and have a look in the description box below for more info. Thank you.